AGABlaster for the Amiga. It is a CDXL player. We look in at AGABlaster, and AGABlaster comes in many versions, as you can see on the screen right now. AGABlaster 60 is for 060. Installing it is settings. This is the Norwegian translation of AmiTube.
Changed everything.
With AGABlaster you can skip from forward and backward.
And I mean, there's still
You
people
can use the cursor keys for that. Cursor right, left, up, down are used differently. So cursor right is seeking forward 10 seconds and cursor left is seeking backward 10 seconds.
look like IBM users.
And volume can be adjusted by increasing audio volume up by tapping cursor up, and cursor down decreases the audio volume.
Everything.
AGABlaster is a very comprehensive
ragtag team taking on
CDXL player for the Amiga.
Changed the world.
As you can see, the video is rock steady.
We were from the future.
And in this clip, you can see the copper effect. 4x displays at once,
Gotta do fun stuff. It just completely changed
which is
everything.
really cool. And there's no lag at all.
Amiga users make Macintosh users look like IBM users.
And with F3 you get copper effect 2, which is 16 screens at once, showing the same video, which is pretty neat. And you go back to reset by pressing F1.
Really felt like we could change the world.
Something that was lost.
You
Something
can
that
also
you can't get back.
mute and unmute with F6. And F7 turns the Amiga hardware
We have
audio
people who just
filter
kept believing.
on and off.
And I mean, there's still people who just keep believing.
And backspace on the Amiga keyboard takes you to the beginning of the video.
Man, this is coming out great, huh?
And space, pulse, resume video play. So this is AmiTube 07, which you can use AGABlaster with. You just put the parameters that you want to in the field where it says parameters.
Direction.